false qira'a. If we are doesn't much care about it, we will recite like aba'uhum fahum, aba'uhum fahum. That at that time that meme is not complete. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My Quran friend. This is a live recitation practice video of the ayat number 4 to 6 in Surah Al-Yasin. Inshallah. If you don't watch the previous video, which is the practice of ayat number 1 to 3 of the Surah Yasin, please check my channel and you can find a playlist of Surah Al-Yasin. Watch that video first and then come to this. Okay, inshallah. If you are watching my video for first time, I am a certified Quran recitation trainer and I do personal training making videos about the recitation science of the Quran. Inshallah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Ala siratim mustaqim. In this ayah, we have to take care about the makharaj of every haraf, especially the sad and ta and qaf. Okay, and the meme with shad, we have to give gunnat. Okay, ala siratim, like that. Okay, and at the end there is maddul adil, ala siratim mustaqim. You can lengthen the maddul adil for 1 alif qadr or 4 alif qadr. You can lengthen up to 6 alif qadr. Okay, inshallah. And the ghunnatul asli at the meme, ala siratim mustaqim. Okay, that millisecond ghunna. And the next ayat is Tanzil al-Aziz al-Rahim. In this ayah, we have to take care of the makhraj of ta and za, ra, ha, mim. Okay, and Tanzil. The za haraf comes after the nun sakin. Okay, and their hukum is ikhfa, unclear the noon and give gunna. That is meaning by ikhfa, not a clear gunna like tanzil. That's not the ikhfa means. Ikhfa means we have to unclear the noon and give gunna. Okay, tanzil, tanzil. Okay, that's the way. And the makhraj of ain, take care about that. Tanzil al-Aziz al-Rahim. Tanzil al-Aziz al-Rahim. And the maddul adil in Rahim and the ghunnatul asli at the end of mim. Okay, and next ayah is litunzira qawman ma unzira aba'uhum fahum ghafilun. In this ayah, litunzira, again their hukum is ikhfa. We have to unclear the noon and give the gunna. Litunzira, litunzira qawman ma, and the mim with shad, we have to give gunnat. Okay, and there is madd also, litunzira qawman ma unzira aba'uhum. And there is two mads. First one is maddul munfasil and second mad is maddul muttasil. Okay, and we are giving 4 alifs qadr lengthen to each mad and ikhfa also. litunzira ikhfa qawman ma unzira ikhfa again. Unzira aba'uhum. Here we have to take care one thing. Okay, aba'uhum fa. The last harf of aba'uhum word is mim with sukun, and the first harf of next word is fa. Fa is also coming from the lip with a teeth. Okay, fa. And when the harfs from our lip collapse with like mim sakin with another waw or fa, we have to care one thing about first we have to say the meme completely. Only after that we have to start the next harf. Okay, we have to give a extra care at that time, because there is a lot of chance for false qira'a. If we are doesn't much care about it, we will recite like aba'uhum fahum, aba'uhum fahum. That at that time that meme is not complete, and that will be turned into a mistake. Okay, aba'uhum fahum ghafilun, aba'uhum fahum ghafilun, and the makhraj of ghain. Okay, and the gunnatul asli at the end of the noon, the end of the ayah, ghafilun. Okay, I hope you understand and learned it very easily. And if you doesn't understand anything, try to watch one more time. Okay, if you have any doubts, comment below. I will try to reply. And watch the series one by one orderly, so you can easily cover every ayat in order. Okay, inshallah. And dua for me, support me in this channel, in this journey. Inshallah, taqabbalallahu minna wa minkum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.